So I thought I'd do an update video today on the 84 S10. Hang on just a second and I'll turn the camera around, show you what we got done so far. So here the truck is. We've got the frame painted. Just finished up painting around the window there, the trim around it. Did the frame all the way down the sides there, back up to the front. And as far as the cab and the front clip, it's ready to paint. Got the radiator support painted. And her fender wells. And then here's this side. And all we like is getting the bed ready. It don't like much. So that's just an update on the S10. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.